What are some initial costs associated with starting to make money passively?
Oh, that can be anything. It can be as small as, I don't know, $350 to get into a network marketing company where you selling your widget, and when they sell their widget and they sell their widget, you get money coming in. So $300 a month or so, that's a small amount of money to put in a great deal of effort in the beginning. But once it's built out, it just keeps. I know people who do network marketing and they make 50, 60 grand a month, but they worked it for 10 years. Was it worth that? I think so, but it didn't cost much more than about $300 a month to do, all the way up to maybe 10 grand. You put 10 grand into something and it kicks out on a monthly basis, a percentage or whatnot. For instance, I just met a gentleman who owns a barbershop. And the first thing I thought to myself was, I've always wanted to own one. And I asked him, hey, are you growing? Are you looking for investment money? And so I'm looking for some place to put some money to kick out a little bit of residual passive income as a small, what do they call it? Like the invisible investor of a thing. So again, so it's a little bit $300 a month to maybe $10,000 to $20,000. You can get into something that kicks out a residual return.
Thank you very much for tuning into our expert interview series. If you're interested in passive income investments, contact Joseph and his team through the information which we have on the screen for you. He'll send you out a brochure and the actual contract for you to review. This has been Justin Kunst, CEO of Timberwolf Advertising.